my PPT, and then so the material that I give my students is descriptive text with project-based learning models. And then the learning objective is the one is identify the social function of the text of suggestion and offers, opinions and knowledge. And then two, identify the social function of suggestion and offer text, opinions and knowledge. And then the three, list the text structure divided to expressing, to suggest, to offer, to ask, to give information about opinions and knowledge. And then the fourth is distinguish the linguistic elements that express suggestion and offers, opinions and thoughts. And then the last is conveys oral and written transactional interaction text in the act of giving and request information related to suggestion and offers, opinions and thoughts. And then the next slide, I give starting question for one meeting. The one is what is your favorite animals, and then the two is why do you like it. Three, how does it look like? I give starting question because provided triggering question for students so that students are interested in the subject to be taught. And then the next slide, I have who I am. I have games who I am. So games provide students to be interested in the material to be learn and focus. The question is, I have black and white stripes. I look like a horse. I live in Africa. I'm a zebra, and then I have two games, the same, and then before I give material to my students, I give watching video about descriptive text. I give the video because provide explanation tools with YouTube videos so the students are not bored. And then the benefit from the learn studying descriptive text offers several benefits to students. It fosters imagination, broadens their thought process by incorporating the five senses, and enhances their analytical skills. This type of writing also develops self-assurance and communication skills, improve language proficiency, and increase engagement in writing classes. Additional, the skills learned through descriptive writing serve as a foundation preparation for other types of writing, preparing students for various academic challenges. Overall, studying descriptive text increases students' learning experience and equip them with essential writing skills. And then I give the benefit because it explains some benefit to students who learn this material. And then the next slide, I have learning objective for the first meeting. In this meeting, students are introduced to descriptive text to develop students' writing and critical thinking. The student makes group for discussion. And then why I give the learning objective? Because it fits students to discuss and think critically. The next slide is this is the material for student. What is descriptive text? I give this because it explains the definition of descriptive text. The next slide, I give a generic structure of descriptive text. The one is identification and the two is description. The next slide, I give language future of descriptive text. Using simple present tense, this tense is used because the descriptive text will be explained a fact or truth containing the thing or person. And then the purpose of descriptive text. The purpose of a descriptive text is to provide a detailed and vivid description of a person, place, object, or event, allowing the reader to visualize and experience the subject matter. I give this slide because so that students know the purpose of descriptive text. And then I give how to descriptive animals, what is it, what size is it, what physical characteristics that it have. And then the next slide, I give example descriptive text. Why I give example? Because students look at examples of descriptive text before identifying. And then I give two examples. The next slide. I give the assessment from student. Identify the generic structure in this text. I have the answer this from student, and then the closing meeting one. The conclusion is descriptive text is a versatile and engaging form of writing that serves as many purposes. By understanding its characteristic structure and types, writers can create vivid, in-depth description that capture the reader's imagination and convey detailed information effectively. And then the next slide is opening to meeting. The meeting tool, I give students to assessment to describe this picture. This picture is giraffe, and then the assessment to why I give the assessment, because in order to know the student's ability to describe, show the picture they see, and then I give the assessment again to describe the picture in this panel. And then I think that's enough for my presentation. That's all, and thank you for your participation. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.